Ever since I got the Jumper T15, I've been impressed with it. I did some changes to the way it looked by going from blue to this nice design made by my friend Linus, and then I added some widgets made from another friend, and the last piece this radio was missing was having real CNC gimbals to become a luxury item. Jumper just released the RDC90 full CNC Gimbals version for this radio, and I couldn't pass the opportunity to get them and install them. The installation is really simple. Opening this radio is quite straightforward. You remove first the rubber on the sides, move to unscrew 6 Phillips screws around the radio. You have 2 underneath this rubber, and the other 4 you can see it very easily around the radio. Then you remove the battery holder if you still use it. Once the 2 plates can be separated, be careful because there are 2 cables attaching them. Remove those 2 cables at the top to free the front panel and work easily with it. The gimbals are clearly seen. Each gimbal has 4 screws, with only 1 screw underneath the shoulder switch, which might be kind of hidden. Removing those 4 screws and unplugging the cable that connects to the main board is all you actually need to do. I like doing one by one, so I install the CNC gimbal directly after disconnecting the first one. Rinse and repeat here on the other side, same thing. 4 Phillips screws, 1 underneath the shoulder switch, nothing complicated, very easy to unscrew and screw the new one. We then connect the gimbals to the main board, attach the 2 cables we removed from the back panel, put back all the 6 screws that we removed in the beginning, install the rubber on the sides, install the battery holder and the battery, and the last step is to install the stick ends. See, they screw in, and there is this mini screw that fits inside the stick end at the top, which allows you to set the higher length of the stick. Of course, remember to recalibrate the radio once all this is done. This is a 1-minute task, but it's really important. And that's it. Nothing complicated, all very simple and super straightforward.
And it feels so good.
Now my radio has become the perfect radio with a custom look, cool widgets, and now these full CNC gimbals, which are not only very good looking, but the feeling of them, it's just amazing. The radio feels very luxury. This is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching and see you soon.